What's going on, y'all? This your boy Jeremy back with another video. Today I'm about to show you guys how to replace your license plate bulb. I'm replacing mine with the LED versus the factory halogen. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All you need is just a flathead screwdriver, and then you wanna get it between this part right here to get access, and then you just put it down and then push out and then pop out. All right, you guys, so I have my mom helping me because I need my hands to be free to show you guys a demonstration of how to take the bulb out. When you take the bulb out, you want to give it a little wiggle and keep playing with it because it's a little tight. It's a new car, so it's going to be tight and secure, so you want to keep giving it a wiggle and play with it to kind of get it out, and then it'll eventually come out. Set that there. Grab the new one. This is how the new one look from F-150 LEDs.com, and you will replace it and just slide it in there. 1 second, bear with me. Let me try this side. You can stop there real quick. All right, so when you got the bulb taken out, you want to take the new bulbs and put it in. You might have to play with it because it's a positive and negative side. So it might not turn on the first try. So if it don't turn on, then you just want to swap it around, turn it around, and then it should work. So the same way that you put it, take it out, you want to do the same way putting it in. Just want to kind of tuggle it in there, but don't force it and jam it in there. So that's in. Actually, I got the key on me. See if it turn on. So that turned on. This one did. So I'm gonna swap it around and see. This time won't work. There you go. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also smash that subscribe button. You will be entered in a chance to win $100 once I reach 500 subs. Thank you, and y'all have a blessed one.